How the hell do you get this top cover off? I don't know. It would be nice if this was easier to take off. Oh, that's not coming out. Oh, damn it. It's always got to be that one fucking screw that won't fucking come off. All right, we're gonna see if this rubber band will help. Okay, I'm just recording something. Damn. Boy, that's hard to come out. Yeah. Do we even need the roll cage off? That fucking roll cage is not coming off. This shit's not coming off, man. All right, so my neighbor's mowing the lawn right now. Get it out of the thing, and I don't know why it's not coming out. That's not coming out. All right, we'll figure this out in here in a second. Okay, I thought there were 4 screws on each side. There's actually 6. Just dump out some of this baby powder. Oh, I gotta let out some air. I got too much. Gotta find out where you put the nozzle in. Oh, okay, now I'm confused. Oh, okay, it's right here. Okay, come on, inner tube, get in there. Ass is hanging out again. Front. I'm gonna try to line it up. I think I pinched it. I think we're good. Okay. See, I don't want these fucking wires pinched either. Come on, I just gotta get one side on. And I think we have it partially in. Come on. Damn it. I don't even think I have that side in correctly either. Okay. Damn, fucking mosquitoes are fucking paining my ass out here. Okay, we got it. Kind of. I got one side. Looks like I got one side in. Oh. Okay, so I don't have it. Damn it, this is a pain in my ass. It keeps shifting and I can't get it in. Don't tell me this doesn't fit. This motor. I don't think I even have the right tire, guys. Damn it! I'm getting really frustrated right now. It's supposed to be the right tire and it doesn't seem like it's fitting on the fucking rim. Okay, so with my neighbor's help, he was able to help me get the tire on. I am not confident that these wires are on there correctly. Now I gotta make sure I didn't strip the wires. Whew, it's getting hot. GoPro, stop recording. Careful. All right, so we're gonna take the cover off. Now, here is where the fun begins. Are you telling me I put all this the wrong way? Oh no. Oh, fucking A, man. I put this in the fucking roll. And I took this apart 4 times, guys. Cranking and cranking with my screwdriver. I was getting really pissed. And oh jeez, come on, man. I'm always losing screws, dude. Where's the other 2?